Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my flat twists. Now, I don't do flat twists that often because I just don't like how they look on me, but I decided I was going to give it another try. And I really wasn't going to post this video, but my bestie told me that I should. So here you go. So this is the products I'm going to be using. I'm just spraying on this leave-in conditioner just to make sure my hair is properly moisturized. And so the big thing with flat twist is that it depends on how you part your hair, and that's how your hair is going to lay. So I wanted a side part, so this is how I'm going to part my hair, and hopefully my hair will come out right. And I'm just using this curl definer. It smells so good, and I love that it's so creamy. It works so well with my hair. So I know that this clip is a little bit sped up, but don't worry, on the next clip I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. It's going to be a little bit slower and a little bit closer, and the lighting isn't going to be as funky as it is right now. So this is what the first flat twist out looks like. I love how neat and moisturized it is. So on this next one, I'm just parting my hair diagonally or slanted, or however you want to say, and I'm putting the cream on my hair, and then I'm just sectioning my hair in two parts, and I twist it first, then I grab some hair, and it's like I'm twisting my wrist, then twisting it, grabbing some hair, twisting, grabbing some hair. And I continue to do that all the way down. And now that I'm at this spot right here, I just take my Denman brush and brush it out just to make sure it's no kinks, and twist it all the way down. So far I'm loving how my twists are so juicy and neat, and this is what it looks like in the front. I did a few more, and I'm just going to show you a close-up of how I do it in the back as well. So I know that it could be a little bit tricky doing your hair in the back because your arms, they feel all uncomfortable and you don't feel like you're doing it right. But this is exactly what I did. I just shifted my head to the side and shifted my arms to the side, and then that's how I started twisting. And as you can see, I'm doing the same exact routine: twisting, grabbing hair, twisting, grabbing hair, twisting, grabbing hair, all the way down. So this may be a silly question to ask, but do y'all prefer a flat twist out or just a regular twist out? I think that I would probably prefer a regular twist out, just because that's what I'm used to, flat twist out. I like them, but I think that I just have to start doing them more. And next time, I actually think that I'm going to try to do this on blown out hair, because I probably will get more definition. Well, you're going to see my definition, so let me not say nothing, but I feel like my hair will be a little bit more bigger. I like bigger hair. You can also put perm rods at the end of your hair if that's what you prefer, or you could leave them out. All right, so this is the finished product, and I love how defined they are. That's one thing that I really do love about these twists. They look super duper moisturized, so I'm just gonna let this dry overnight and we'll see how it looks in the morning. So as you can see, I already started the unraveling process. One thing about flat twist outs is that you want to be super duper careful with taking them out, because you can easily just rake your fingers through the curls and get it tangled and get it frizzy, and you will lose your curl definition because of how it's twisted. Well, at least in my opinion. So I would just suggest that you go slow with taking out your twists. But one thing that I absolutely love is the definition that I'm getting with these twists, especially in the back. I know right now it don't look all of that, but just wait till I pick it out and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So first, I'm just taking my fingertips and rubbing my scalp with it just to get those lines out of my head. And so now I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and picking at the roots. Make sure that you only do the roots. Do not let that comb slip into those curls, okay? Don't let it do it. And now I'm just shaping my hair, and that's basically it, guys. I do have a more shrunken look, but I do love this definition of my hair. And you see the back has so much definition. I absolutely love it. But let me know what you guys think. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on the next video.